What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Got a few errands to run. It's Friday, Foam Friday. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe once again. We're about to just go do a few things. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Hopefully we both have a good day. And smash the like button, share the video, of course. And if you are new, subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the post notification bell, you dig? Let's get it.
Fives turn to tens, tens turn to 20s, so on and so on. Ones turn to fives, and fives turn to tens, tens turn to 20s. Now we eatin', nigga. Ones turn to fives, and fives turn to tens, tens turn to 20s.
What's good, y'all? We are now here at the mall, Glendale Galleria, about to go check out these KYRIEs, man. See what they're looking like in hand, in person. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. You dig? Dude, anxious to see what they look like in person. The pictures, you know, did a pretty good number on them. Okay, they got some reacts on the way walking over here on clearance. What do you think about these? They got the clearance tables. What are these over here in the clearance? What is this? Okay. They got some bait PG 2.0s. They got some things over here. Looks like, what's in this box? Some bronze soldiers over here on clearance. Big Sporting Goods got a good amount of stuff on sale. Discount. Uh-oh. What's in here? Some Huaraches. Okay. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff here on sale. Maybe go to your Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm sure in your area, probably the same thing is happening. Clearance sales for the end of the year. Let's see what the price tag says here. Clearance say when you win. Taking extra 75% off. Wow. Taking extra 50% off. New prices as marked. Very nice. See what's going on. Let's get another quick look at these and see if there's anything else in here. Some Reeboks. They got stuff for kids. Some New Balances. What are these? Some Cloud foams. These look like girl shoes. Maybe they are 22 bucks? What? Let's see how much these PGs were going for. 74. That's a good price. That's a good knockdown. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. What I'm telling you, you might find some stuff. Okay, Vans. I'm not really a fan of these, but maybe you might be. It's possible. It's possible. New Balances. Some more Nikes. Oh, black Huaraches. Yeah, man. If you guys got Dick's Sporting Goods in your area, you might want to check them out. What's that? 89 bucks for those. Not bad. So it looks like they got some pretty cool things here. It just depends on what you're looking for and what size. But they definitely have a good variety of things. I definitely recommend you guys come check them out. Let's see this box here, which is a LeBron box. Soldiers, 89 bucks. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. What do you guys think about these in the comment section, man? Steals and deals, more soldiers, probably same ones. Roshis. They got a good amount of things, man. Make sure you guys check them out if you guys got opportunity to. So you guys can come here and find some steals at Dick's Sporting Goods if you have one in your local area. Let's go see what they got over here for these shoes. Oh, excuse me. You see they have a variety of everything here. But the shoe that we are here to talk about today is this bad boy, the KYRIE 6. Reminds me a lot of the Kobe Exodus. If I were to see a pair here, I would put them side by side, but I do not see them. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below, man? I like what's going on here. If I get an opportunity to, I might just try these on. $129.99, $130 price point. These look just like Kobe Exodus. The materials looks like it's the same stuff. Very dope though. I mean, the colorway is fire. I like the sleek look. It's really low cut to the ground. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Would these be a cop, pass, fire, or trash for you? I need to see what's going on with them. I think I'm gonna try these things on. Under Armour, man. Foot Locker has lost their account with Under Armour, so you won't really find them at Foot Locker. You gotta find them at Champs or House of Hoops, Champs or Foot Action or something like that. But at Foot Locker, no Foot Lockers in my area was having them. If you guys find them at a Foot Locker, let me know. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. I definitely think I want to try these on and see what's going on with these, man. You got the KYRIE 5 next to the KYRIE 6. I'm not really a fan of this one at all, man. I don't know. I mean, I don't really, maybe it's KYRIE, but trying to separate the athlete from the shoe. I mean, it just doesn't look good to me. But maybe you do like it. Maybe there's somebody out there who has a pair of KYRIE 5s. But out of the KYRIE 5s and KYRIE 6, let me know what you guys are picking. I'm definitely going with the KYRIE 6s. I just like the look of them. They have more of a lower cut, more of a like I said, the Kobe Exodus, which I think is a fire shoe. While I wait for the attendant, I'll pull these down because I think these are the Brandon Ingrams in the mid top, right? Because these are low tops, and I think those are BIs. But these two, I think these are Brandon Ingram's basketball shoe also, but I could be wrong. Let me know if you guys have more information on that, because for instance, like this one for sure is the Brandon Ingram. This one for sure is the Brandon Ingram, so it's the same shoe, just the mid top and low top, right? This colorway is dope, got the UCLA vibes going on. Of course, these ones are dope. I've already talked about these. But let me get these KYRIEs on feet to see what they're talking about. I'm just waiting for them to show up. Cool gray KYRIE 4s. Definitely dope. I mean, if people will request these to do a review on them, even though we're on to the KYRIE 5s, I'll do that if you guys haven't seen these in person and want to get a detailed look at them, plus an on feet or something like that. Comment below, I will definitely do that. So we're about to see what's up with them right now. I'm gonna try them on, get them on feet, see what they feel like, give you guys a full understanding of what the shoe's talking about from my first perspective on it. Yeah. Okay, here's the box. Opening them up. Shoes look pretty crisp, man. Let's go ahead and try these things on feet. Hot punches, man. A lot of kids did like these. They were on shelves at one point and now they're all gone. You can't find too many more of these. Let me know out there who's copping these. So let me know how you guys think it turned out. What do you guys think about the KYRIE 5s or the KYRIE 6s, my bad. Yeah, I don't know if I'm a copper for myself, but I did want to get a good look at them for you guys who do like KYRIEs. If I do get them, I will do a performance review and all that type of stuff. But yeah, man, once again, Dick's Sporting Goods with all these steals and deals. What's that? Whole clearance table. Whole clearance table of stuff. If you look, you might find some things like these. A lot of people like those. So let me know. We're about to get out of here. Hopefully you guys had a great day have a great day wherever you are in the universe. And like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.